Gosh, that's enough now, please.
They themselves. Look at the Landrover. Why are they all stopping?
We won't.
Or do we stop? Last time we went here was April. Here comes the Landrover.
No, he's alright. He didn't go above his wheel.
Whoa! Oh, I thought those branches were actually hitting me.
Yeah.
Those branches.
I'm far too nervous for it.
Mummy's scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared too. It's a bit like that roller coaster. You know that roller coaster that Josh wasn't allowed on, and I just
I just hope I've got to get out and push it any time.
I'm not scared.
I might have to drive and you'll have to push.
See? I'm not
You'll
scared.
be splattered with
I'm
mud.
not scared of anything.
No, good.
Yeah, but Daddy's got a short
Put your
stick.
drinks down because you're going to get them all over the place.
I already have. Oh, I got it on noise. Why aren't we going the fun way? Nothing tapped us, and there was a funny. Why can't we go the
It's
fun
fun
way?
enough.
Boring
Thanks.
enough. We're gonna think. Okay, that's better. Yes. I told you it would be fun.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, we're stuck. Woo! But not as much as Josh. Hey, I've got 2 bits on my window. It was making me think.
Does the steering feel really light?
Yeah, pretty much.
And yeah, it was made my eyes water.
Did it?
My eyes watered.
No.
Just got here and it seems great. And it's so fun. Yay! We go down there. No, don't. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like going there.
There you go.
I
Here we
like
go.
going
Nice.
It feels
Go.
like a boat. Feels like a
Well, that
boat.
was good fun.
Feels like a boat. We're on the boat.
That was deeper than I thought.
So he went in too fast and it must have flooded it.
I think you won't sink in here.
No, we don't sink in here.
We're here. We're not.
You see the mountain?
Josh said it. Water.
Did it splash you?
Yeah, inside.
Oh, did it?
Well, when we were open up.